case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, the New York Court of Appeals heard the case of Schulz v. State, focusing on the issue of whether the state is allowed to take on the debt of public authorities. The lawsuit was prompted by a 1993 statute passed in New York authorizing a $20 billion plan for transportation improvements, which included $4 billion in bonds for highway and bridge construction. Plaintiffs argued that this statute violated debt-limiting provisions in the state constitution. However, the court ultimately ruled that the statute was legal and did not violate the Constitution. The Thruway Authority was authorized to issue bonds payable only from its pledged funds, and the state had no obligation to appropriate money for payments due under any agreements made to implement the Act's goals. The statute also created two trusts to receive revenues from taxes and fees derived from the use of the authority's facilities, providing funding for improvements to highways, bridges, railways, and aviation facilities. The court held that the plaintiffs lacked standing to challenge the legislation, except for Article 7, Section 11. It determined that the Act didn't create a legally binding debt, and the legislature's moral obligation to continue appropriating revenue wasn't considered debt under state constitutional provisions. The court upheld the statute's constitutionality based on the precedent set in Wine Fife City of New York.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.